So the first thing we're gonna do is get right inside the car. You wanna grab your socket wrench with a 10mm. We're just gonna push up on it like that. And we're gonna start working this one up here and this one down here. Now we're gonna go to the back seat and start working up the back. Now in the back seat, you want to move the seats up enough so you can see this little part right over here. Insert it right over here and then just pry up. And we're gonna start working from the back. You just kind of want to just lift it up, and then you can actually find something just to lay here. Right over here is the module. It's located underneath the center console. Anytime we're working with the airbag module, the seat belts or the airbags, anything in the airbag system at all, we want to disconnect the battery from the car. Now the car battery on the Chevy Camaros are located in the trunk of the car. There's the battery right there.